iziyasho ukuthi noShembe you can't wear isambatho saka Shembe while you are gay. Into ayishoyo. Ngizwa real. Akusiyo. Can you wear as a CC uniform while you are gay? Have you ever seen a gay as a CC when? Angazi guys, khulumani kuma comment mina ngizange ngabona umuntu ezasithi athi thalade yakagobha to. Azange.
Phuma uMatoze twabo ukuthi hayi mina ngisafuna ukuba i-after 9 sengifuna ukuba i-gay straight. Angithola izinto ezikanje.
After 9 yini?
Umuntu bomthola bathi after 9 maybe ngabu jumpers.
Ungakhuluma umuntu okayazi hlala. Futhi uthi into engikhinya uthi kudala marozalo ngo2005.
When you mean ukuthi kasi you mean imi-trend as a whole?
Imi-trend bothembisa ngithi ambrose ba into eyi1. Phela mangethembisa ngijump istrad. Yeah. Maybe that's why even uNkulunkulu angafuni ukuya emhlabeni. Yonke into yakhe igucukile, yonke into ayiplanile ngalomhlaba igucukile. Ayisekho lento le. Bathe uyakuya nge22 uhlulekile. Amavila aphunchila sasedayile. Cabanga ube the first punch angangidlule nasezulwini. Second punch after igarage asedayile. Asemhedeni.
Bonayo wena.
Third punch. Niyazi kwenzakaleni mabambona drive iUber bathi igeneration ayibhadali saka driver ama-Uber nanguwile jiki umntana bani seka sikolweni seka sindwa imali South Africa iyahlanya
hayi abazi ukuthi bafunani labantu labo umuntu makafocus ku-acting nje kuphela icareer yakhe iwa abephuwa nakhuluma umuntu makafocus ku-career yakhe nelentuzane nama-business wakhe ngaphandle niyakhuluma umuntu makafocus
akwenza umfana onama-feelings abafana kanjani bekangayazi lento ayenzayo that's what are you saying to uNkulunkulu bekangayazi into ayenzayo nina senayazi nayazi into enyenzayo
suka emhlabeni ayale like ambonanga uJob ebekala emhlabeni
uJob angithi ukuthumela uNkulunkulu emhlabeni
okay
uyamthola maceda amblessa ngezinto ngemoto ngomfazi yonke into so sathana athile uJob umnike yonke into umblessile lapha uyazinjaya manje inkinga ukuthi ukukhohliwe mara ngayenza iplan ukuthi wena akukhumbule futhi ila uNkulunkulu avuma ukuthi awuyenze leyo plan leyo ila ngibona khona ukuthi kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu noSathane bayisebenzisana nina nibhizi niye-church nokuthi fire Satan mara uNkulunkulu noSathane bayahlala phansi bakwazi ukuxoxisana noJoy.
Which one is this one? Sila. Location. Sila. Location. Ewe. Ila. FC. Mira. Eita. Hola. Don't rest. Boga. Let's roll. Waza. Just vibes. Hola. Live life. Ila. Location. Sila.
Wenzakalani?
Sakusungula kwini
Uyakwini wena?
yala
Uyakwini jiki ngaso awushidiki konje thina ngoma
jiki ngaso
awusithiki ushela mwana loyi awusithiki kushela mwana loyi uhlekani
next angihlekuluza
yeah sondeza umada lapho engimncintshile bandaka hey ipure emagoyero
bora yeah
singancintshi imada uphe umama wabo bonke kampani simuve bona bonke okusele yena
umada
mama important empilweni thasa amabhili baratoro bomma amamazulu bangathi amapedi abomama bomma ba-important. Hawu ufuna sithatha le mali siphe nina singaphi bomma hawa siphe ifebe kampani siphe bomma. Hawu mama bathini bathini amalapha ngesizulu konje
amalapha malapha imizi
imizi iyavuka le olakhala Ndiyansensiteka yonke
mina ngilakuthi imizi
angithi ngivuma lento ekhuluma ukuthi imizi kanti
Wongibuza wona ngakuphendula wona hey
angifili ngilahlekele legama ukuthi imizi.
okay
Umbe le phone.
yeah
Wona uduze nayo le phone. Mina ngikude le. Mina ngabe sinento ukuthi ime kanje.
mfana
Umfana manje isho mina. Ifoni ifoni yakho i1.
mfethu
Hayi.
yazi uNkulunkulu engathi angasibusisa mngani wami sithola ama-mic sithola ama-mic stand sithole like i-proper equipment engathi uNkulunkulu
angafuna ukusibusisa namjini mangafuna yeke mina ngithanda ukuncenga asayengathandazi ngofuna simncenga phela ukuthandaza kuncenga ukuthandaza kwarabhela engaramrabhela hoy
phela manje we are losing bigger opportunities because of our technical issues. Kabanga today like usize uHurman lami ulebe like mina kimi ngibiza ezeHurman lami like angithola izinto ezikanjalo angithola yeah beka actor ku stories abasibiza abafana abathathu
ngolesithathu abafana abathathu
sithathu yini
ngolesithathu
yeah yeah beka actor ku stories abafana abathathu siphumile nako bomzansi bioscope so oyiwana kana inyawo like hamba nge-wheelchair omunye kanazandla oyiwana omunye akaboni angithola so like sihlangane kuma-audition okumalumani sasitshentshana ama-contacts fili angithola sakhuluma izinto ezikanjalo uma efanda akubeka athi yangichecka nyana angithola so
noma mosquito noma mosquito la studio sifai ora ja mina ngiwani ngiyakiwa la
uyadliwa as I was saying ukuthi feel like uyangithola ngishaya ngecall ifili ukuthi angicheck ukuthi icompany vele ngezempilo yangithola avela angitshela ukuthi hawo nale project yakhe afuna ukuyilontsha nge6 ifeli zaka December yama disability izinto ezikanjalo ukunceda abantu abakhubazekile yangithola so uthole isponsor ku lady kubhokati yangithola so
Bugatti motor ibhokati engine
yeah bhokati
label no yeah
sure so like bamsponsorile with some wheelchairs crashes and etc yangithola so ufuna uyayilontsha nge6 everyone is invited even you are invited the poster will be out soon basase busy ngayo location basase busy ngeposter bangitshela
ubuya phela lo mjidi
eHurman laseneli spread angithola mari uzoyihostela khona yeThembisa yeGauteng mara engathi around 4 ways or somewhere
manje ngathi Thembisa uthe 4 ways eThembisa
eGauteng man sorry
uthe wona Thembisa la eGauteng 4 ways
sorry
yini abantu abarong ukuthi banikhipele izinto banipostele izinto awona sipalawa ila maThembisa 4 ways
like iyacabanga ingqondo yami evapha bengifuna ukuba correctise ukuthi like akayishayele eMpumalanga nelispray
Yeah, mara ungathi 10 days.
so yeah that's why bathi ngesilungu slip my mind man.
Hayi, slipper of a tongue, slip
Yeah,
my mind,
okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Thembisa for ways.
Yeah.
How they?
Yeah.
How blind?
Yo.
Shayita ya.
Sorry bafethu mara ya. Ko uzoyishayela khona la eGauteng la ipost izoba out soon. Asenso support afili izinto ezikanjalo yabona. Bathi izandla zagezana.
Yeah.
Angithola.
Another hands washes another.
Kwala.
Yo. Lento yenze la.
Ayishinqese.
Ncese yando wenza umsufu.
Awu.
Wenza umsotho la.
So engathi uNkulunkulu angasibona like asincede ngama mic ngama ini so khona.
Awuye kuNkulunkulu.
Okay.
Abantu abasincede.
Yeah, ngicela abantu
okay.
okay.
Sincede wasikhuleka kudala ukuthi akasiboni.
Yeah, sure.
uNkulunkulu uhlulekile sicela abantu basincede.
Engathi abantu bangasinceda sithola ama like equipment proper uyangithola. So khona like invite
khona manje siluze guest la important bezositshela nge-event ayizositshela ngisho ngalento afuna ukuyenza ngama-plan we-show ya ngenxa ukuthi asinama mic proper.
You see, so yo engathi ningaba nomusa.
Hawu kunini mara sicela marawa
Bra.
thina kanti hayi asiye ngiyafana nini sicela mina ngikhathele ukucela abantu benza ngathi abasiboni bayisibona.
Mara bathi be patient.
Until when?
Thina khona mhlawumbe one
Akekho. We have no one. Kumele thina sizivuze sisebenzele sizivuze. Truly speaking, we have no one. Ngiyakutshela ngithi mina. Hayi. Fere aye wafethu. We are back bafethu njengomgogoke we are here. #sila podcast and comedy bafethu sithi siyaxolisa for ukungabi khona last week. We apologize for kungapost for last week. We really busy. Those who saw our status wethu ku Facebook and WhatsApp, they saw ukuthi we were really busy with some other production, with Triple P production bafethu. So yeah. Mara manje we are back. Phela mele si relax singasebenzi manje so ngathi phela mangasebenzi lokusebenza unga relax uzoshawa inzayathi. Ngiyathola yazi inzayathi.
uzoshawa inzayathi.
Yeah. Yini inzayathi?
Uzoshawa inzayathi.
Depression. Yeah. Uzoshawa inzayathi. So mele siphumule bafethu. Hawu. Because asikhole nokukhola la. Kumele senzeni. Masilandela lempilo vele senzeni. Tshontshe ayikho So njengomgogoke we are back just like not your father. We are here #Sela podcast and comedy bafethu. Yes, this is your host ke ayena kana la Maria mna msebile ga tshama pula masahle pizana na boy. Ke mokale pheko se se go nka ga se tlisha ke nna kona ngwana tja gala ka modida matepe sa mtjaki. Ke mo ramphela mahlako sekolo sa manje le mogaliada ke tshaba ditekelo ba ke khampana kwa. As always bafethu angabe ngiwane bafethu as you know ukuthi the ship is too big bafethu. I can't ride the ship alone bafethu, so I'm having yona bafethu vice captain of the ship bafethu. I'm speaking about the one and only bafethu, the podcaster bafethu, thespian bafethu, comedian bafethu. I give it up to one and only ndoto ibiza Fandaki Fikizolo bafethu uMathaimi
Wana basisi wana bakukwali wana bamani. Swilo swa vutomi hinkwaswo leswi.
Munganate bafethu.
Ihohlwa.
Yeah, ihohlanethu ala podcast. Yeah, so bafethu, even now we still not alone bafethu. We are with the teachers view on the more fires bafethu. Yeah, so to my vula itithixo bafethu. Umathami ukuthi maqeda ukuvula iphuzo phupho zomlelo wamalanga. babe.
Ay.
Nango lomlelo, nango lomlelo, nango lomlelo, lelo, 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 lelo. Yazi bafethu, ijinja lena bafethu, iflavor tone leka robot boy bafethu, pushy passion lena bafethu, flavor bathini? I-vitamin thing bafethu, i-blueberry bafethu, i-cherry blossom bafethu. The one on the corner there bafethu is the original, the mother of all of this bafethu. Yes bafethu, if you want to purchase bafethu, you can get it bafethu. Spa bafethu nge-13 rand spa, or my friend bafethu nge-12 rand bafethu.
Abanye bakuthengisela nge-10 rand discount.
My friend.
Discount.
Okay, angazi ukuthi mina ngibekele price le wena
Ngiyakutshela abanye bakuphi discount.
Yeah.
Cabanga 2 rand 3 rand.
Bafethu for ukuthi bese mawespa uphathe 13 rand. Mawuye ku my friend uphathe 12 rand uzothi mawubele change ubele change ungayiphethe 10 rand.
Ngishilo ngithi abanye bakupha i-discount. Ngiyangitshela abanye bakupha i-discount.
Hayi niyazi bafethu akahamba i-one with DJ Smooth bafethu uhamba naye bafethu with the queen mother of the books bafethu Stephina Pasha bafethu yazi bafethu she's the author of all these books bafethu.
Yeah.
Hey ngikhathele. So bafethu lena this is the unpredictable footstep bafethu, unstoppable destiny bafethu, Beat That Fear volume 1 and volume 2 bafethu. If you want to buy the books or purchase the books into one must buy and purchase. Scan the IQR code on the screen bafethu. Yazi bafethu it doesn't matter ukuthi useZimbabwe, use Namibia, use Limpopo, use Natal bafethu, ukupho kunye. Use Maritzburg, eMaritzburg. Malawi. Wow.
Nigeria.
Nigeria good.
Malawi ne-Nigeria iphi ukuthi
zonke zikude. Mari Nigeria ngathi fair. Nigeria fair than Malawi. Malawi bathatha 1 to 2 weeks ukuya ngada. INigeria ngeke uye ngebhasi. Malawi bayaya ngebhasi. INigeria fair.
Amara angithi zosebenzisa i-fly machine ku-riding.
Kulesi sanganda sebenzisa fly machine ukuza ngayi.
So ziyafika.
Incwadi.
Yeah, ziyafika. Scan the IQR code Nigeria. Ziyafika incwadi lezi nizothola knowledge.
Beat That Fear.
Yeah.
Unpredictable footstep.
Yeah. This one is volume 1 and volume 2.
Volume 2.
Yeah.
1 or 2.
Igwe.
Eh.
Ngomba baba.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Abura magwero.
Yeah.
Oh.
Wash.
Konje bathi yini le movie le yama Ampet Van Der. Le movie sibhekile le Nigeria to let me smell your what? Echocho.
Yo.
Yes, ngikhohliwe lela gama.
And hayi ngikhohliwe. Bengithi mhlawumbe ngithi ngizorikhumbula.
Oh. Usmeli echocho no.
Ungasimela lo
Hey, before sicala bafethu kune important message uGeneral Mr Mkhwanazi himself.
Yeah.
Onayo 14 abafethu.
All of us.
All of us laba bamsupportayo as a nation laba abalwelayo simfollow ayithina. Hayi nithina. Simfollow ayo. Ngoba ngifuza ukuthi uyabuya Mkhwanazi. Thina sikhulelayo Mkhwanazi ke eMnambithi.
Yeah. Yeah,
Nambithi ngase 5.
Sure. I sure I understand. I couldn't know. mina ngimuzwa ngokumuzwa.
Oh, thina sikhule baye emnambithi.
Umazi flash in flash.
Mase 5 ngala tuze nasesibhedlela.
Yeah.
Sila into zamapha.
Yeah, hey. Ayawuzwa mngalo mngalo.
Aleza ngani sama apartheid.
Yeah.
Silela nina ukuthi nibe right.
Sure.
Khona manje ni right na sonke. Hey, asibeke ubukhanazi. Nayo lento ethathi kale matata sithengele ne laptop lento le mina ngizibhidliza one day ngeke izithembe. Hayi.
Cela support mhlawumbe nyana ngazi. I don't know ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani ukuthi sponsor or investment or ini.
Investment soyibhadala ngani ngoba siholi la. Investment mngana ungayifaki.
Bona.
Investment ukuthi phela usukunika lencwadi ezi2 sekuzoyifuna zi4 mazibuye.
I know.
Asiholi la.
I know.
Ngabe siyahola ngabe siyayithengela lezi.
Aish. I know mara nabangithi komela understand ukuthi uinvestela abantu abanjani. Uyangithola? Into engishoyo mina.
Uthini?
Ukuthi
uinvesta kanjani ungayifaka sangithi investment ungayifaki total ungathi investment awu understand lento investment uinvesta kubantu abanjani kanjani
grand
kanjani
like okay umuntu ozosponsor yangithi mfethu uzosponsor ngoba uyas understand ukuthi sisuka va naye umuntu o invest anga expect okukhulu kithi ngoba uyasponsor
kanjani tasangithi ungayifaki investment yini investment mfethu yini investment yini sponsor there's a different there's a different
yes I know
and ufuna ukuzenza into eyi1
I know
zenza akuna invest engaza manje ithi ngithatha nayi 50,000 nami nya invest thengani equipment bese iyahamba leso isponsor umuntu ukuthi afika athathathi nayi nifuna malini 2000 nayi 2000 thengani equipment ngiyaphuma kini investment ukuthi na ngiyanthatha 50,000 thengani equipment after 3 years ngifuna ku 100,000 uthatha 100,000 ngiyakufundisa la ungafuna ukusifaka intweni eyi1 asikho intweni eyi1 into lezi asifuni investor uzofaka abantu bazofika la abantu bathola imali zama ref zamagcina bazosala bazosiba investor mase siphelile le mali zaba zama ref bese bazobe bathi ngibikela abafana imali yami ngiyayifuna ngiyakutshela la sifuna umuntu ukuthi willingly to sponsor without expecting nothing in return how why asibheke nomkhwanazi.
This is Lieutenant Jaron Kwanas, the Provincial Commissioner of the South African Police Service in KwaZulu-Natal. I would like to take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to the ex-user by the name of Chris Excel, who came up with an initiative to raise funds in support of the work that police are doing to keep criminals at bay. Although this original idea supported by those who contributed the money was to buy cars for myself, I appreciate the gesture and the thoughts of goodwill behind the idea of contributing money. I'm a civil servant, and the public already thank me enough through the salary that I receive every month. It is their taxes that compensate us as public servants, and I'm privileged to have been one of those chosen few to serve and protect the people of South Africa through my role as a police officer. I therefore would like to ask Chris Excel and those who donated the money to please deposit the money to the South African Police Educational Trust. This is a fund which pays for educational needs of the children of the members of the South African Police Service who died in the line of duty. Every year we gather in a union building in Pretoria where we commemorate the members that died in the line of duty. A majority of these members died at a very young age and the very junior ranks, and therefore they have not contributed that much in terms of their pension, leaving behind the children that need support from us. The South African Police Service Educational Trust Fund takes care of these children by contributing to their educational needs, and we have already seen some of these children who have graduated as a result of the support of this fund. It is the least that the police can do to support the families and the children of our fallen colleagues. This SAPS Trust Fund is run by an independent board of trustees under the leadership of the chairperson, Mr. Vuyan Jahana. If Chris and all donors are in agreement with the proposal, the money should then be deposited to the following account. It is the Nedbank account number 100-33-59825. I repeat, Nedbank account number 100-33-59825. Account name is SAPS Educational Trust. You can use your name as a reference, or you can put any reference that you so wish if you don't want to be known. I'm making a call to everyone who may be...
General Mkhwanazi se. Nizwile guys. Uthe. Mfuza amanzi la ngamamelana. Nasimamela
Mina
message.
lamanzi angakawuphuze awe.
Utheni?
Angisukela.
Ngiyakubuza utheni?
Ngiyazi ukuthi engathi badinga i-support ku labantu laba
Give.
Hayi, ngiyazwaya
Ngisekumnandi ngiyazwaya la.
Hawu. Engathi bathi bacelisa ama-donations. Angithi ngathi kushona ama-20,000 amaphoyisa or ama-riding ku-training, and bashiye abantwana ifamily and stuff yangithola. So labo family le family leyo kwamele inidi support yakhona bekwamele iphume kulabantu laba bashonile, izinto ezikanjalo yangithola. So ingathi bacela ama-donation, angazi ukuthi ngizwe zona or kanjani.
2 minutes ukukhuluma manga. Yakuthi wongabamelanga. Wena umamele mpintshana. Listening is a skill. Understanding is a bonus. You must learn to listen, my brother.
Okay.
Ngiyakwazi angithi mina abona ukubuza ngamabomu.
Mina
ngiyakwazi uzomangala abantu, mina ngiyangimangala cha. Mpintshana. Podcaster nayo ujaye ma timing. Uya ku AMTV. Konje bobo ngikho
uyaphuma lapha ukangiphendula ukuthi ngikhuluma manga uphenduli.
Angithi mina ngisazobatshela ukuthi uthini Mkhwanazi. Mina ngingazi ngimzwi.
Okay.
Uthi general. Mr. Mkhwanazi himself. Ngoba bokunemali uChris Excel. Beka raisile nabantu ukuthi uChris Excel uvule ipage ukuthi go me account. Go fund me account ukuze they should fund Mkhwanazi for the good work that he's doing.
Sure.
You understand? So since people have contributed, they have said to Mkhwanazi ukuthi he have to buy himself some cows just to say thank you for what you're doing to the nation. You understand? So since he said people have donated more than maybe 40 to 30,000, he said he doesn't want that money, but he appreciated by appreciating that money. Chris Excel should take that money and then donate it to SAPS what children funding there. I bonisile account number. I understand. Exactly the usho ngakhona ukuthi labantu labaya mina bengazi ukuthi khona le GoFundMe le bathini le foundation le ukuthi ikhona ukuthi if umntwana wakho wabakho yimini bekayiphoyisa and then bamdubula wena sasemncane, if we are above 16 and then ucedile isikole, there is ama learnership watholayo or amabhazari wathola ukuthi uye esikoleni ufurther your studies just because of your father died while you're still young. Ngithola so nayo uthi le mali leyo mayiye lapho, and then people and then if there are people who are still willing to donate, those who wanted to donate on that cow thing, they can donate on that account number to police what. And then your reference, you can write your name. One.
So that maybe they can thank you.
So yeah, manje. Add into zabo. So wayekile manga wakho. Add again. Add. Unokwazi uku-add.
Mara kulokhuluma wakho musu add nawo la manga wakho ukuthi as
you said wena kula angithi kula manga wakho wena phela ngayiphinda lento engiyishiye nguyishilo mina ngiyamamela kula manga wakho phela wena uthi
Yaba ngizile ngithi angazi nokuthi ngizwe zona na.
After ukukhuluma lamanga wakho. After ubona nokuthi inkinga ngimeshe ngalamehlo ngaba ngikwekile. Ngangithula. Obela ngabekile nathula ngangenza amehlo. Abantu ngiyamtshela mina lebekhe ifoni ngalomjita abantu abakhuluma ngomjita.
Angitshelana manga mina.
Phethe.
Mfethu angazi allegedly so.
Yeah, uphethe allegedly.
Allegedly so.
Yeah.
Like okay ngibone enye poster so like angazi ukuthi abantu ukuthi banjani. Ba poste uRoni uCosmo lobe ethela igeneration.
uRoni uPutroni.
Yeah. Like angazi ukuthi no angithi yazi ukuthi acting injani engathaka kathula ama role uziblomelile so angithi ngeke uvela ublome uzofuna ukuyenza something uvula ama business or ugeleza izinto ezikanjani so engathi malumroni useskila college nyana okugelezela something nyana ngithola abantu bamjaja bathi ngoba usindwa imali ina akafuni ukuhlala phansi a relax ana hey bana
bathi usindwa imali eSouth Africa kanti njani
bra
futhi bengizothi yazi ngicabanga ukuthi uzothi bathi maybe saka broke sakafuna ukuqala phansi uyafunda bathi manje sebathi ufunda sekasinda imali manje
mfethu
ekucaleni yazi kwenzakaleni mabambona drive Uber bathi igeneration ayibhadali saka drive ama Uber nanguwile jiki umntana beniseka esikolweni sekasinda imali South Africa iyahlala
hayi abazi ukuthi bafunani labantu labo umuntu makafocus ku-acting nje kuphela icareer yakhe iwa abephuwa nakhuluma umuntu makafocus ku-career yakhe nelentuzane nama-business wakhe ngaphandle niyakhuluma umuntu makafocus umuntu mawufocus ku-career yakhe afocus nasemfundweni zakhe liyakhuluma hayi angazi ukuthi bafunani mina angeke phela umuntu nomuntu unama-dream wakhe uma umuntu ngeke ufocus kunto one nje kuphela
stop judging
mfethu
and most labantu abajajayo nijaja ningazi ukuthi kwenzakalani namjaja aku-Uber and futhi wayichaza lento lokuze ukuthi yena drive Uber it's not like udrive Uber usebenza omunye umuntu that guy got ama Ubers you understand that Uber that is driving is one of his Ubers you understand so lo mjita lokuze athenga ama Uber he was inspired by a Uber guy that was supposed to take him to work imoto yakhe ku service you understand mafike ubeni uthola ukuthi lo muntu lo Nigeria mbuzo ukuthi mfethu wena ubuya ngaphansi how did you get in this company ukuthi drive Uber mtshela ukuthi talento lezi two is you do this and this and this and this uPutrona abona ukuthi Muslim mjita wele into le ayikhuluma ngakhona I can do it while I'm still working on set because after set I can if I'm not going somewhere I can do this if I'm not going on set I can still do it I have time so he started driving he started he purchased that Nissan what le Nissan Uber le and wathenga yona and then waqala wangena ku-Uber wabona ukuthi this thing can work waqala wathenga ama-Uber he created unemployed he employed the drivers they are driving ama-Uber wakhe
like he made like jobs for people bra
bese abantu
futhi manje uyofunda futhi maybe to make more jobs for people
niyakhala imfundo as they said guys even namanje ungathola ukuthi Elon Musk namanje is ufunda something uyafunda education guys I pay those stupid people who are saying usinto imali abantu abangafundi nathi le ukufunda lencwadi le uyefunda lencwadi lo umdala wena akusukufunda phela reading this book it means I have to gain something from this book I have to gain some knowledge from this book so uyabuka ukuthi knowledge ayiphela kasipheji bari ungazohamba kasipheji bari thuto ayine boholo so imfundo ayinabudala
mfethu
umuntu uhleli lapho ngebroke ass uhleli akana lutho akusini next nasemphakathini uloku busy jajana nabantu abayaphambili ubusy jajana nabantu abayaphambili ngempilo hayi siyakhathala manje lo mjita lo played his role he enjoyed his life he did what he liked wona uhleli lapho uhleli urasela uBus John every day le awuyenzi lo msebenzi owuthandayo
mfethu.
okuhleli kunokuthi uhlale uzincede wena ubhizi ujajana nabanye abantu uyajaja wena
Umuntu what if you wanna explore and experience more things in life?
U-explore kanjani if wena uhleli endlini? Manje lo mjita ahlale endlini unaso isikhathi sokuthi manje angayofunda khona athola isikhathi makayifundela lento le. What if ufuna ukuba editor or ufuna ukuba something else without the industry? Ufuna ukuba maybe afutsekwe maybe let's say ufuna ukukhulisa le Uber business le ayenze maybe transportation enkulu eSouth Africa. Kumele ahamba ayifunde logistic. Nina manje seniyaqala mfunda afutseke. Sefana nalona.
Nifana nodwa. Nifana nami. Mara ningayenzi into kanje. Umuntu ufuna ukuzi-explorela azi-experience life abone more elifini. Umuntu unamaphupho wakhe naye ngeke ahleze focus kwento eyi-1. Unomndeni wakhe. What if you wanna make igama for iventuzane yakhe umndeni wakhe, maybe ashiye business or something for umndeni wakhe?
Bona bayasebenza babheje kuma Hollywood asibajaji akusukuzama ukubheja kuma Hollywood. Umntana abantwana ngapha nangapha umntana abantwana maka actor avula ama Uber yini
inkinga leyo kubo. Buya futhi.
Aseke nokujajana guys. Siyaphuma kule trip. Aseke nokujajana. Aseke lento lokuthi thina sifuna ukutreat ama celebrities zini akusabantu mele bona angazi ukuthi sothina ama alien kanti labantu. Khona manje bani ngabona lo yabhudula yahamba ethenga amawutwana eRoots no2wheel. Angakhe amawutwana ngoba nginqoka ukuthi se-TV. Hayi guys, hayi.
Na umuntu uyaphila.
Awuzingithi phela labantu batreat ama celebrities ama alien they were special. Vele they are special balethe uNkulunkulu ukuthi they have to heal us. Mara it doesn't mean ukuthi mele sibatreat manje njengathi manje angazi ukuthi yina amaqanda la we-pirates abaphulayo mawadla abantu ngala hayi. Labantu aba-flesh bafana nathi kanje banenyama. They were born outside the V. Outside or inside? Angazi nalento engisho ukuthi right angenomlungu. They were born inside the V or outside. Ngithini vele?
They were born.
Kanti bathini?
They were born.
Mele ngithini? Kanti ukhona ngathi ngito. Mele ngithini? Ukuteta yini ngeke? Bueno, el tema de Leiva. They were Leiva what?
Right, they were born. Mara wena idile yakuhlula le yakho wena usafuna sigcizelele okuyi. Mina ngifuna sidlule lapha. They were born. Simple. They were born.
Alincwadi ziyawa today.
Mfethu.
Hi guys and why? Congratulations to Lekao guys. Amazo Lekao. Lekao si Juan. Amazo Lekao.
What's Lekao? Maybe I know him. Abantu abaningi mina amagama wabamba seriously speaking.
Lekao beka lo mjito lo beka una i-trip.
Oh, okay.
So lana ithi my name is Lekao. 6 years ago, I founded a brand called Drip. After 5 years of successful trading and 100 of jobs created. Amen. 100 of jobs created. Later, it got liquidated. Yesterday, I launched my new brand called Kite SA. Kite is a brand that look at the thing growth and maturity, while also having fun and introspecting into what we have done wrong and how to clean from that. Sometimes when we lose, we also lose our steps and confidence. Our brand is a brand that will forever be a reminder that the next chapter of your life depends on making that next step again. And it's either you swim or you drown. Leaders ask next question and losers or leaders ask next question and losers ask if it's possible. Please take fleet with us on this new journey. Our sneakers are available on online stores.
Yeah. Wow.
This is one of his sneakers.
Oh, fresh plus. Yo, ilawa top nyana la.
Ilawe.
Wow.
Into zini.
Mfethu. Yo. Inswembu. Like you don't chita lo be like ucreate imisebenzi for abantu.
Yeah, wale company. Yeah, create imisebenzi, company yakhe yavuka within 5 years it brought out abantu abanemisebenzi apha le trip was huge.
Yeah, mfethu.
Trip was huge.
Trip lapha eThembisa Mall mfethu bozobona
line I was working at Tembisa Mall prangalesa sikhathi. Wazothenga trip the way it was huge ngakhona it has its own uniform ukuthi bakunika konje yonke into egcoka ye trip.
Aish.
Cabanga.
Yeah.
Imoto lezi trip bakunika uviners bathu baziphela ngibashilo mabasithatha my company wo bathu yonke
imoto.
Imoto lezokudeliver sibhale trip what mfethu.
Yeah.
Phela people lost their jobs there.
Mfethu. Yeah.
And then nangu ubuyile umjida ezasho.
Yeah, ukuthi ubuye uyambona ubuye ngestyle ubuye ngamasimba mfethu like equality le mfethu uyayibona.
Oh trip bongasi quality.
No like as umuntu nangisho ukuthi bekungasi equality the way come ukuthi bekuyi equality ngakhona ubekungeke if bekungasi equality bekungeke kube nale line there beyilapha yangithola mara as abantu asifrostani izinto ezifanayo yangithola mina ngibona ngikhala ngale tekilele ngisabona mara nginama yangithola mara like leli ngiyalibona anginayo imali kube benginayo imali bengiyolithenga same time enamasimba le tekilele mfethu.
Amara mina ngagcoka if yabona mangasigaya athi gcokani for free mara nje ukuthi nyongene shop. I'm not saying ukuthi yini but amagcoka now uyangazi.
Ngiyaqaba mina uyabona amateka top mfethu ilawa ngiwafrostana.
Wena ngithi ngiyakunderstand usho.
Nenza ngathi umuntu
ngifuna ukufika lapho ukuthi mase wagcokile lamateka akho astock uzala kimi ukala mahayide kuba ngathi ngikula ngobuthi. Kanti lamateki akwisephezulu uzigcoke kuchapha.
Hayi
ngiyakutshela ngithi
athina inyawo zethu zibi mngani wamasi
angalo ukuthi zibi kumele sathi mayizenzele height
wasifaka nama socks
ufake nama socks abhaye ukuthi akwenze ukuthi
hayi amara le tekileli namasiko
lona it's so beautiful and I wish ukuthi it can go bigger than the way trip it was bigger. I want to say manje because last begcoka celebrity that was wearing it was Casper Nyovest. I don't know manje ukuthi izegcoka ubani. Angayipha bani.
I think it trip is it trip if I'm not mistaken le be hosta kakhulu lapha eThembisa Mall or it was Thembisa Mall in whole.
It was trip Nike host Thembisa Mall.
Yeah, but I think ukuthi it trip engathi yiyo eqalile yaletha angazi ukuthi ngizothi spark or yini lapha eThembisa Mall or
trip Thembisa Mall mayivula the opening was a spark.
Yeah,
every week beletha ama celebrity even abo Pantsu we saw them there abantu baneya every week nale bathu bona Steve even came with this company the people were playing ama FIFA every week every Saturday there was something.
Wow, okay. I thought good to maybe eat lento zani trip eqala letha amasento zalo. Yeah,
ngithanda ngobhekile manje kumele egcoka ubani le
ekhayite. Yithi. Hawu.
Thama celebrate lo ngabe celebrate. Yona nathi yena ukuthi asifuni yona singayigcoka sibonisa abantu abasekasi. Hawu.
Hayi mina ngicokela mina manje
angithi say athi bathe asinike sigcoke sibonisa abantu abasekasi ukuthi lekawo is back.
Yeah, sibonisa umhlaba.
Hey.
ukuthi le car is back.
Umhlaba ngeke ukhona. Sibonisa abantu sokuthi umhlaba sokumele travel manje. Sebo Zimbabwe, sebo Maputo, siphuma out of continent. Siyebo America le.
Okay.
Eh?
Oh, when you mean ukuthi kasi you mean Midrand as a whole?
Imitrend bothembisa angithi amprosiba into eyi-1.
Yeah.
Phela uma ngethembisa ngijump istrata. Yeah. Ufuna ukwazi ukuthi thembisa nemitrend isihlukanisa istrata.
Oh, wena te uyisho ngakhona ukuthi moyele ndizajump istrata engathi unosuka uyehle ijump sofikile.
Hayi.
Come on.
Sengiyahle ukuthi thembisa nemitrend sihlukana istrata. Ampro kuba into eyi-1. Hawu.
Yeah.
Mangise mitrend ngifuna ukuyethembisa ngijump istrata. Into engisho. Hawu. Mangisethembisa ngifuna ukuza mitrend ngijump istrata. There's no need ukuthi ngigibele ngaboma 13 rand ukuthi ngiyethembisa mangilela kasi leya eseduze nase ethembisa.
But uya ngokuthi uyethembisa kuphi ngabe?
Ngizwa ukuthi uyenzile statement
Yeah, ngizwile,
mangilela kasi eseduze angazi ukuthi livale ivale.
Okay.
Manje lapha konje iswazini yethu. Iswazini mitrend. Iswazini
Thembisi mitira idea.
Oy.
Ngiyakutshela Thembisi.
manje iphelela lapha imitrend lapha eIvory lapha.
Iphelela lapha ama-7 I think. Uyabona lapha. Yeah, ama-7. Ama-7 angithi Ivory.
Hayi ama-7 akusiya iVory.
Ama-7 Ivory mfethu. Ama-7 Ivory wala ngapha.
Ama-7 ephakile lapha. Ama-7 imitrend. Sozini imitrend ngiyakutshela. Yazi imitrend nethembisa sihlukana kuphi? Unkomo. Yazi le nkomo esesazini.
Iswazini kuphi kanti?
Isozini semitrend.
Hayi libayikho ishayo ngeke hawa.
Yazi le video le nje ukuthi kuTok ukhuluma ngeGauteng ukuthi eGauteng moya eGauteng ukile uthi ukhulani la uyangishala yathi
Hawa ay mawukunkomphela yacaviswa ini kuphi? Yabona eBP garage.
hayi
Ungathi hayi ngiyakutshela
Yeah,
uyabona
mina ngikutshela
ithi ngikutshela ngicela ukukutshela ngicela abantu abakudala abasethembiswa bayayicava lento le
abantu bakudala
like abakudala bebakhona lento le ibhalwe
singekho kudala thi
ma relax ngikutshele yabona eBP garage yabona mawujump istraight ngapha ngathi uyakubhaza kune shop beyibhekele beyibhala ukuthi Swazi Inn. That's why lapha bebabiza Swazi Inn yagcwala ukuthi le ndawo leya iSwazi Inn. Yeah.
okay
Yeah.
uzwile ukuthi swazini kupha ngithi
Eh?
uzwile ukuthi kuphi kwabhazi ibhazi kuphi ethembisa after BP
Not after PP like PP ngapha jump straight ngapha ile ntuza.
ujampeni istrata akutibheka akuthi iBP na ujump istrata yakabhazi
Yeah, ama robot. Yeah.
lapha ikusethembisa lapha ya wena tasawu ePick n Pay asiyeke iswazini ke ngoba okay asiyeke iswazini ngoba awufuni ngisebenzise legama iswazini angiswazini thina siyazi ezehole wena angazi uyitha tape la 1976 be kudala nini ngoba lento leya basikhula thina ngabona 1988 bekuyiswazini lento leya wena manje
Hayi livawo ngeke. But mina ukhulile Swazi Inn. Ithema lami
wena ukhule nini ngoba ukhula manje ngo2005
ukutshela hayi
thina lento lesikho esazini thina wena before zala thina esazini besiya nge5 waphosa ngizongitshela ngesazini manje na mawuthona ukhulile esazini shukuthi
ithi ungitshela iqiniso ukuthi ngikhule kanjani ithema lami lisipana lapha eBP garage lapha ngase BP garage le nto le yami mfethu bengihlezi ngibutime every day le nto bengiyibona le shop ibhala ukuthi
sure kanti mina ngithini
yes
te usho ngikhona ukuthi laza la duma ngithi siyayeka leswazini lemanje siyayishiya leswazini yakhona le time 1976
ithembisa yeah
manje ipick and pay le yamanje imitrend uyalaha siyabona uyalaha asekuthazini isazini ithembisa le yakho mara when pick and pay fika lapha enkomeni imitrend
yeah ile nto zani i-pick and pay ungayibeka like emitrend
angibeki imitrend
yeah okay ungasho ukuthi semitrend ngoba like
ibathungu so ungathi yasho mara wena ungibhilivi kumele usho ukuthi imitrend ungasho ukuthi ngingasho ngiyasho imitrend
ubona ngokubhilive ngenkani mfethu
hayi ukuthi ngibhilive ngenkani ungathi ngiyasho pick and pay imitrend kufika lapha enkomeni imitrend
enkomeni ithembisa le
lapha enkomeni lestrate senkomo iso sihlukanisa imitrend nethembisa lestrate senkomo
hayi bra
yebani
hayi mfethu
hayi asiyeke ke inkomo ngoba okay isazini yakini ngiyabona
yeah
lesa store salapha eswazini lesiya besilapha ya next door kwaBhazi isakabule out and then leya kasile eswazini inkosi eswazini itamale out and then imeya lapha eswazini iGortmanale out umkhanselara iGortmanale out and then yini mayor umkhanselara yini
kube sine equipment yonke musiphelele la siset asiyasimcela ukuthi nisidonate bafethu
angithini nishayela kancane inyoka yinaka kasebenzi angithi uzakudala ziyaphupha bese zizobuya ziphupha kudala leza imali manje zizokuzala nini kumele nize nizibuyise vye hey uyibonile ile engakangizwe
ubani
awumazi ungizwe
ngizwe ngizwe
awazi ungizwe awona awazi abantu awazi abantu akazi abantu laptop is slow man izakuceda inhliziyo ufenya
mfethu
asayithi nasingajoli uceda ilaptop inhliziyo ngapha ucabanga amaceda lapho kumele ahambe yoncinga icherry vivie hayi ziyahlanya into lezi azicabangeli ezama-grade kanti mara yini ngale laptop madoda yo
indoda elala nento indoda amanyala okugcina-ke lawo nisibangela ububhezweni nisibangela iy'nkinga zokugcina nalo mgodo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho kuphume naso la eSouth Africa sizomcwasa bukhoma-ke manje-ke sizomcwasa bukhoma weyitabani wezinja wemgodoyi uSweet Golofu ethu imvunulo iyo yonke into igugu lakwaZulu jikelele lo mgodoyi wesitabani asifune ngisho inhlawulo kodwa simfisela nje ke ubhubhane ukuthi azokwazi ukuthi ke lesi sitabani sithatha imvunulo iphelele kwaZulu inja nje lento edeserve ukuboshwa udeserve ukuboshwa ngoba phela sokwayizwe eliboshwayo noma kuthiwe ukuxoxa naye ngoba awukwazi ukuthatha imvunulo yamakhosi imvunulo yesilo noma kuthiwa namalini iphelele yonke njengoba injalo especially thina kwaZulu angazikele kwaXhosa nasemampondweni ngoba ngibone nomnye sitabani lesesine sifaka imvunulo yamampondo namaXhosa angazike mhlawumbe noma lolo into abayijwayele nabo sebamukela cha thina la kwaZulu lutho ke ngeke sesimukele boyilwela nabo ukuthi ke ukuthi ke bakubona ukuthi ku wrong kodwa la kithi 100% wrong akungingizwa akucatshangwa sesithule kwanele manje hambani nekulumeni wena nikhompozele yena imvunulo uma ngabe ngisho kuma fashion shows if une designer ethizo icreateile wayipatenta lo designer yakho ibelonga kuwena lo design namalungelo ayo sinamalungelo emvunulo thina njengoZulu sinamalungelo okuvikela into eyisasa lethu neqiniso lethu yabona nanjengoShembe njengoba uShembe ekhona nje ngeke ayivumele ukuthi kutholakale umNazaretha umuntu evunule wasefaka umNazaretha bese enza noma yini avunule ngemvunulo kaShembe bese enza noma yini ewuhlobonga neucindezela phansi isikompilo lenkolo yakwaShembe ngeke amaNazaretha ayivumele leyo nto nathi ke siwuZulu sithi ngeke sivumeke leyo nto itabani kade zasiqala kade lemsuni ezinja itabani ekwazi ukuthi zithatha imvunulo yethu manje yabona manje besithule sibekezele yabona manje senikhwelana ngayo ke manje ke ngithatha imqhele amayaka yako umqhele nezingwe neinsimba zakithi nameve bubesi niyokhwelana ngawo indodelana nanje indoda amanyala okugcina ke lawo nisibangela ububhezwe nisibangela inkinga zokugcina nalomgodo usomizi nalomgodo usomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho phume naso la eSouth Africa phuma naso la eSouth Africa isizwe sakho asangidingi la sizolunqwasa bukhoma ke manje ke sizolunqwasa bukhoma weyitabani wezinja wemgodoyi ngoba inini nesukela uZulu nisukela ibutho lakwaZulu futhi egana itabani phindelani kwela kini uSomizi qoqa ibutho lakho uhlangana leceleni futhi wena Somizi ngwenyanya kabi ngoba wena sifika thina la sibanjwe inkunzi siZulu ngaze ngayisho mina ngathi mina umadoda sengamabhinqa sabanjwe inkunzi sisaphotha umfana wakhe omncane wasenquthu usethi Goluva samsupporta esehlathini engazi ukuthi samsupporta ngayo yonke indlela sikhipha amangwefu waphuma umfana thema iphuma wahlangabezwa wena egedeni kanti ungamfuni uzomfundisa amanyala ubutabani kuma nje umfana usempona ukuthi siyambuka nje sambona yena ukuthi insizwe kodwa sesiyamgabaza ngoba ugolwe uwe msunwetsha Somizi ugolwe uwe umgoneleni ingane yethu ngoba nina yonke into ephilayo la kwaZulu ephilayo nigijima niyaxavuna prenuthi bethu niyayitapela ezinye lapha nihambe isineka lapha kodwa sinye sipofu leseligoli esigcwele la kuba TikTok ngeke sibuke nje ukuthi sitabani lesi sizeza sengathi sakwaZulu sizibhale ngisho igaba laso ngoZulu lomgodoyilo
Lomsuno Somizi ungize mara
uyungizwe lona
awumazi ungize sibali ungize angazi ngathini maybe angazi is the one who came with the Bhinqa Nation or what, but he's the king of the Bhinqa Nation as they say. I don't know your Zulus there, you must say uthi this guy wenzakalani ngayo because uthi imvume mara somehow mina ngiyayiza lento ayikhalelayo lomjida ane I'm not saying anginandaba namagate ya people
but mara ngathi leno ibeka ingayindlela engathi like judgmental or like ngayibeka kanjani
like he's homophobic
yeah angathi homophobic wise
akabafuna amagate
yeah
the way ngakhona the way he's addressing it is so arrogant and kuba uyathukana so that's why kuba ngathi vele unjalo but somehow he can't do nothing because there are many Zulus gay people.
Yeah,
so yena into ayikhala ukuthi they must stop wearing their cultural thing while we are gay. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not. Are you abantu, but somehow I don't know how I can put this. Mina somehow I still don't understand this thing of gay until bangibonise enye intwana la estradini bangibonise igana namantombazane ekuthe gay saseyintwana. But somehow I fail to understand ukuthi angazi ukuthi ngibeke kanjani why izivela manje or bezikhona kudala basaba ukuziveza
mayise kuyi fashion
kunenye into kunjibani le comedian umapasana bathu bana emapasana bathu bana ayishilo fana naga as a comedy athi ngenkathi zama apartheid amagibe awangekho noSomizi beka straight which is true uthi kusho ukuthi bayilapha mabathamanga amagay ayenza imeeting athi bachoma liyabona roshubile no wakira rephosa no baba narolo and then after 1994 re ko fa somise position ke yana ke re tshwara ngithola so kusho ukuthi angazi ukuthi basifikile labantu laba before then because basaba ukubulala and all the stuff basaba ukujajwa na into engizibuza yona because of it can happen ukuthi manje ngabo 1986 ngabo 1976 bebangekho labantu you wouldn't find a man sleeping with a man but now just because of everybody has a freedom ima ngisafuna ukuceda now because of everybody has a freedom ne ungakhohle ukuthi sibe ne freedom encanyana abelungu bazelana nento zabo with their western thing first of all iBible is the western thing bafike laba ba introduce uNkulunkulu wabo wase west bamletha eAfrica which thina besibelieve la kuNkulunkulu wethu which is our ancestors you understand bathatha ini ama rights is the western thing bayilethe South Africa bathatha ubugay ukuapprove ama abortion which is the western thing ukuze bayilethe South Africa bayi approve you understand lento le into abelungu is a western thing into zama ngale eAsia kuphi not ngapha eAfrica hence I'm saying namanje ukuthi ubugay is a trend
kungayenzeka mara angithi kudala bebasho abantu wathi we after 9 yangithola basifihlile maybe manje sebayaphuma umathozethu wabo ukuthi hayi mina ngisafuna ukuba after 9 sengifuna ukuba gay straight yangithola izinto ezikanje
after 9 yini
umuntu bomthola bathi after 9 maybe ngabujampasi
ungakhuluma umuntu okayazi hlala futhi to into engikhinya uthi kudala marozalo ngo2005 why
I live
yokinto kudala ngoba isozini ukudala khona manje kudala bokuphi wena
dala ngithi ngisasemncane ngiyenze njani
kudala sasemncane ukhumbula kudala sasemncane wena yini ukhumbula kudala sasemncane ngo2005
kanti bathi yenza ngo2005
phela into isho ukuthi kudala bebabiza abantu tase ngikubuza ukuthi yini after 9 wena mawuthi kudala phela mawuthi kudala bebabiza abantu after 9 mina ngisengitshela ukuthi sothi labantu ba apartheid mabathi after 9 it means we gay into isho
no angini ngabantu abakudala boma apartheid mina ngimina mangisakhulu mangithi kudala ngimina mangisakhulu abantu babathi ama after 9 mabathi ama after 9 like umuntu unomfazi endini mar like
mawusakhula mpenjama mawusakhula amagiba wakhona man hayi wonke kona hayi angitamagiba wakhona the time athi after 9 manje sengikhuluma ngabo 1966 1976 1988 1989 1990 1991 1992 1993 1994 bese kuthola freedom bese kaqala amagay akhona ama abortion approve abantu mina bayenza ama abortion why we understand ama women rights ukuthi abantu abafazi kuze baphiwa ama rights abafazi bacindezela bangavumeli ukuthi bangene isikole bahlale endlini ukulela yenza ama how bathi ama white shoulders what that so manje that's why they have to give all those rights because of the way they were raped if have no say ukuthi ngirape what that's why they were given rights manje lama abortion lawana nama approval of gay nama lesbian kwenzakalani bona kuze approve what happened babone ngobani ukuthi lo igay aseproven igay babone ngobani ngoba izingekho lento lezi wahleki lento serious wona into yahleka
ikyaza uyayiqineza ukuthi babone ngobani
bengekho lento le sibone ngobani yena sala into engikhulumayo ukubona nami ngesibani phela imi ngiright ukuthi into zakudala wena wamanje mina ngigay yahlala ulethe sifakho uzabona ukuthi angisona igay
akunasisi
wena uyadlala wena into engifuna iyafana nalento lokuthi lo muntu lo waqala ngeeducation and ubone bani ufundise ubani kuze siqala ukuthi la sifundise sifundise esikole
oma play mbona
so ngiyafana le amagay nami ngiyaplay mina mangahlala umuntu owenza isikole ngamshanga ngimpama ngabe sibali hawu abo bethu bakhule bafama le kungana sikole jikijiki thina mase sikhula kumele sesikolweni bona bavuka baye efamini bayisebenza bayabuya bayadla bayalala thina kumele siyofunda hayi
amfethu
uyifundisa ubana education is a western thing as I say ize nabelungu ngayi ene baze nganto bona banganayo akakhize ngabelungu not amabhuas phela amabhuas adoma siphat oh asiyeke le so ungize la lento enye ayikhulumayo ukuthi noshembe uyaziyasho ukuthi noshembe you can't wear isambatho sakashembe while you are gay into ayishoyo ngizwa real umsini can you wear as a CC uniform while you are gay? Have you ever seen a gay as a CC when? Angazi guys khulumani kuma comment mina ngizange ngabona umuntu as a CC athi thalade yakagopha to. Azange. Mruti thela cabanga. Igay yo jump kanjani as a CC?
Angithi
iyo yangale bafazini.
Wena ngale mantombazane. Ni womelule warishe ngale.
Ikhona igay church yakho. Igay church yakho ikhona. Lesbian.
Ngambona.
Why bangekho church labantu? So Mizi was once chased away in church angazi ukuthi church iphi.
Was yo marabe abekho right if bamchase.
Why bangekho right
why baba judgmental.
uNkulunkulu the time athi singabi judgmental it was which script that was when bathini bafuna ukubulala ubani uJezebel ukuthini unikana too much akekho loyal angithi ubani intombazana uNkulunkulu aphuma thini if wena nawe nithani nimsula nina mbulaleni ke bekakhulumela uJezebel not igay tasakumele bamjudge uyini akazazi lo muntu lokuthi uyini. I'm sorry to say this mina nginandaba nama gay but I'm trying to understand this guys. I'm trying to understand this. Why bangekho church? Why kumele bangabaqoshe church? Mina I've never seen a gay wearing as a CC skate that we are church. Because of it's the devil thing. That's why ngekho church. Why if uNkulunkulu lo wena if ukhona ke why azoyenza ama mistake angakuthi wena kwenza umfana while you are not a boy akwenza umfana onama feelings abafana kanjani bakangayazi lento ayenzayo that's what I saying to uNkulunkulu bakangayazi into ayenzayo nina senayazi nayazi into ayenzayo I'm not homophobic guys ne. But this thing I'm trying to understand it. Mina ngiphelele ama gay abhaya bo Ezra ngifundisa Ezra history ku grade 11 it was a good teacher he was a gay person ngiphile nama gay abhaya amasangoma ngiphile nama gay abhaya you understand anginandaba nama but I'm still trying to understand into lokuthi umuntu bazoba intombazana change yena athi uba umfana ngamabele how can you maybe that's why even uNkulunkulu angafuni ukuya emhlabeni yonke into yakhe igucukile yonke into ayiplanile ngalomhlaba igucukile ayisekho lento le bathe uya nge22 uhlulekile amavila punchila sasedayile cabanga ube the first punch angangidlule nasesivulweni second punch after igarage sasedayile ase mkhedeni
bonayo wena
third punch yabo teka alien dinenga sana matire
yeah third punch iva
third punch we said that repeat
isha
fourth punch it was 4
yeah awubeluku
bephuma lapha ke beyise jump le bridge bakhe bridge manje lapha uMoses avula amanzi khona sebakhe bridge manje
la amanzi ame khona lapha ya
sure la Moses avule khona avula abantu
amanzi ama kanje
sebakhe bridge manje bathi ukuphi iphela le ndawo na ngikhohlile Kanana phela iGanana eseBhayibhelini iGanana lela Bible indawo yase
Canaan
K9 ne iGanana K9 eBhayibhelini yesilungu yesibedi K9 sure bangkhule ko yesibedi Kanana bangkhule Kanana ya punch more
yeah
bangafika emhlabeni
after Canaan bekomele eCanaan bekomele baze
after Kanana kumele bakudlule itholgate ukugcina ba
tollgate futhi le
kumele balende emhlabeni
now senze tollgate le kanje
ucabanga ukuthi nawe uyapata bhatala i-tax.
ya
Kunama-taxpayers nasezulwini bokunama-taxpayers awazi kanti wena ama-tax collectors siyasho nalescript sakaJobe musa ukuthi uNkulunkulu wafika uSathane wafika uNkulunkulu bekawustili awustiphatha biza ama-enemy
wasama-inventi kanje zakudala samaphathi okay isanazi
akashaya iphathi
Okay.
sibali kushawa iwine kudliwa ifishi
okay
lesingu
ya
udade uSathane
ofishi le ikarapao so
Ikarapao.
ya
woyiwasa or woyipheka uyasikhethela
ya
uSathane makafika ufika uNkulunkulu westili ubiza wonke ama-enemy wakhe wonke ama-tax collectors uJobe uSathane uthi hawu mfethu wena namhlanje wahosta uNkulunkulu emangala ukuthi hawu kwavela nawe today hawu kusho ukuthi le party izoba nkulu uSathane athi hawu kusho ukuthi hayi izoba nkulu ngiyabona ubize nama-tax collectors bese uNkulunkulu abuza uSathane uthi njengoba wena usuka le emhlabeni uza la awubonanga ingcebo yami uJobe na uJob kuBhayibheli yesilungu uSathane athi uJobe ngimdlule endleleni yazi uJobe hayi uyazi ukukhuluma iqiniso umplacile umnike yonke into mara usekakhohliwe ngawe sekafocus kule nto leza omnike zona sekabona ngathi le nto leza uNkulunkulu wazo manje
I get you ngicela rephrase kancane like uSathane makasuka emhlabeni ayale like ambonanga uJob bekala emhlabeni
uJobe angithi ukuthumela uNkulunkulu emhlabeni
okay
uyamthola maqeda amblessa ngezinto ngemoto ngomfazi yonke into so uSathane athi uJobe umnike yonke into umplacile lapha uyazi nje manje inkinga ukuthi ukukhohliwe mara ngayenza iplan ukuthi wena akukhumbule futhi ila uNkulunkulu avuma ukuthi awuyenze leyo plan leyo ila ngibona khona ukuthi kusho ukuthi uNkulunkulu noSathane bayisebenzisana nina nibhizi niye-church nokuthi fire Sathane mara uNkulunkulu noSathane bayahlala phansi bakwazi ukuxoxisana noJobe
uJobe bekanelakhe uJobe bekakhona ukusuka la ayocommunicate noNkulunkulu le abuye la abe nemoto abe ndizinto
bukuyi-angel kaNkulunkulu angithi fana noSathane bukuyi-angel kaNkulunkulu naye ilaba kubonisa khona i-competition ukuthi akumelanga ukhompete
inkinga incwende yami somehow mathi in bow khomba as example mina sengithathe izimoto straight that's why angithola okay ngiyakuthola
bese ngithiyeka lesonto la AM every Sunday sikhulume ngeBhayibheli
yes
hawu
ngiyakuthola
uyathola that's how uNkulunkulu nolale bayisebenzisana nanibhizi la fire Sathane fire nizothi nifika lapha ezulwini one day uthola uNkulunkulu umela uSathane umela ngeforo kakhe athi isho ukuthi fire manje isho uyothini wena niyaphapha nini ngene into endabeni ningazazi beningekho buzani thina besikhona tasathi thina singazingeni animani thina singahamba amatshicha sisingeni thina indaba zabantwana babantu
angithi wena isonto lakho aqeda iBhayibheli
dala nina manje nina uzenje ukuthi nina manicedile iBhayibheli esontweni nenzani niyabuyela futhi niyicala phansi
mara
that's why ngitshela mpintshana kunendlela ezirong eChurch because of nigcina ningasazi ukuthi nenzeni le nto leyo besiyilandelela siqedile nayo
so
uyangithola manje asazi ukuthi manje i-content yini asazi ukuthi sikhuluma nasi mpintshana ubuze nasiphi wayiceda iBhayibheli wasiphe lo mfundisi and naye wayiceda iBhayibheli mara still continue to waba umfundisi into engizibuza yona why
to inspire other people
kanjani uku-inspire other people yazi ngikhinya yini we gonna say this we gonna read this but we're not gonna understand it the same way wena manje sofuna ukuthi mina ngimamele wena the way ezengishilo mina ukuthi mina the way I understand ukuthi uSathane nodade bayisebenzisana the way ngifunde ngakhona but mangabuza umunye umuntu lesa script lesa sakaJobe yena uzoyifunda ngenye indlela you understand so kumele mina manje ngihambe ngiye-church ngiyomamela omunye umthetho omunye umuntu ukuthi ngingagcoki ikhephe eChurch ngingaze ngiyigiye eChurch imithetho yeni so ngihambe mina ngiyomamela umthetho yenye indoda
musuthi kwabele babacosha amagezi ontweni
angithi nithi kunoNkulunkulu manisho makunoNkulunkulu ba right mabacosha amagezi bangekho ezulwini azange wena bathi wathola bathi umushe wadabula udirect wadabula Adam ukhoyizapha le nto le hey
mfethu
ngichaza i-respond
mara-
akasemjisi bala uthi mara ini lento yazi slow uthi mara ini wona batahamba ngithi
indoda elala nange indoda amanyala okugcina-ke lawo nisibangela ubuphezu nisibangela iy'nkinga zokugcina nalo mgodi oyowusomizi nalo mgodi oyowusomizi yabo lo somizi qoqa isizwe sakho uphume nasona eSouth Africa sizomcwasa bukhoma-ke manje-ke sizomcwasa bukhoma weyitabane wezinja wemgodoyi uSweet Goluva ethu imvunulo iyo yonke into igugu lakwaZulu jikelele lo mgodoyi wesitabani asifune ngisho inhlawulo kodwa simfisela nje ke ubhubhane ukuthi
because sometimes it starts how we have to respond to stupid people.
ngichaze i-respond yakhe
Yeah.
like useve isithunzi sakhe izinto eziningi
Somehow, I mean, I don't
u-avoid
think
izinto eziningi
eziningi nakhona I don't think layout le ngenye indlela le man usomizi it doesn't take things that serious that much angazi ukuthi uyangunderstand na
like angithi sekazi acceptile yena ngokwakhe and abantu sebayamazi
Akanandaba.
so akasanandaba
Unemali
ukuthi like
Akanandaba ukuthi
uzothini
uzothini.
wena
Manje mina into engingunderstand ukuthi mabathi uthene uSweet Goluva because of that kiss angithi bathi usomizi ukiss uSweet Goluva t-shirt arabi ya
bebashuta something or
angazi mina ngizwa arabi ya ngizwa t-shirt are somizi ukiss Sweet Goluva mchange abagay uSweet Goluva igay
mara I don't think so babo Sweet Goluva
beka ne girlfriend lapha makaphuma ku Big Brother masabi ya break up nayo or bisexual mara kissing someone I don't think that's mean ukuthi gay because I also saw Richie B kissing le gay iskobo beka interview lapha ngazi nokuthi ubani ali le gay iskobo kampani ngikhizi somisa umdala ngaka le gay le iskobo sibali hayi
yo hayi mari komele like bafethu accepting impilo the way ngakhona and move on
no sometimes ukwaccept impilo the way ngakhona lesa si acceptile the way ngakhona mara abantu bazifika ba change izinto eziningi izinto ezichange emhlabeni izenza ukuthi abantu ba lost their way abantu bangasunderstand khona manje bathe kuthiwa sekuthathiwa ama senema abafazi why utabe ukuthi ziningi izinto ezichangewayo emhlabeni
bazoba nebhadi bathatha isibongo se-ex-husband
uyathanda le ex-husband
bathatha isibongo senye indoda
phela in South Africa siphile with movie manje these days mabakhipho lo mjita lo wempumulo enkulu bakufaka omunye umuntu man sikhathele lo mjita ayikho into ayenza sinza rule lo mjita kwenzeka izinto izimanga kuphela hayi
eish
hayi makavayi lo mjita akani
mfethu nescandal siyaphuma mfethu uzwile leyo ndaba
scandal nasiyavaya
scandal siyavaya next engathi by September or June kuzobe like idlale
usibonile story saka Cindy Makhatheni esikhathi siyavaya lapha story saka Cindy Makhatheni Cindy Makhatheni nje nami ngikhofi ukuthi udume ngane Cindy Makhatheni iyacula or actor wenzani yaba umazi Cindy Makhatheni
no
uthi ungene egarage ngemoto yena uyasho ukuthi nevideo number nye ngisayidlala nama-photo inemisho wama-photo
Makhatheni asibuya Makhatheni
ya into omaziyo
sibuya Makhatheni sibuya Makwakhani mfana
umfana usho bani oniyangicela so lechapela uthi bebabe emgidini nomngane wakhe umngane wakhe afika thufuna ama-chips I think uye uthi bekathufuna ama-chips because beka-crave ama-chips by egarage mafika egarage uthi bapaka imoto and then sho ukuthi uyipakile le moto akhokhe kuyifaka ku-parking mara uthi uyicimile I think so uthi mabhiza ashuta umngane wakhe ama-photo lapha umngane wakhe uthi Chomi uthi yini mani makakhe nyokusho uthi chomi mathini uthi ikoloyi hayi imoto yahamba mathi imoto yena ingene egarage yahamba
yo phakathi
sibali
yo
uthi into emangazalo umntana ukuthi mfethu le moto leyo full advance la kundana la sarasele yazi kundana la studio le moto uthi full advance cherry le yase China ukuthi imoto yakhe the way full advance technology ukuthi ayihambi imoto yakhe ongafasanga ibhandi especially yena futhi ukuthi yena kudayile ku driver seat anyeke ivaye imoto ibhandi lengafaswanga
le moto le cherry open the windows
sure
cherry
uyethola so cabanga le moto le ikwazi ukuthi ayivaye anyeke ihambe ingana seat belt mara ikwazi ukusuka la semdeyi ingene egarage iva
ngisho lapha kuleya moto le khona
no
khona mara lapho phela izinto ezikanjani bra so
wena vele sinzalandelela amabhadi yena vele mntana kuningi okwenzekile empilweni yakhe just ezinyanga yena vele ezinye izinto akhona into ehambayo ezinye izinto ayingekwazi yazi amabhadi nje maybe it's not the hair season nje sometimes angithi bathu uNkulunkulu has to put you in dark in order to show you lightness that's ngithi nomjita mina ngamana stand
mara bra like it just think about the expenses azosebenzisa ukufixa
lucky enough uthi leya moto leya ayidamagekanga that much and then nalapha egarage ayidamaganga into eziningi because of angithi uyabona lo mnyango wegarage ukuthi unjani inkinga ivideo to discard lo mnyango ujathi bawuvale ngezinto ezibhlue shothi le moto ishale into ezibhlue yangena phakathi yachayisa maybe some of shell face and then uthi luckily lo mjito leyo umanager lapha egarage umzela ubhlungu athi hayi insurance izobhadala wena fix imoto yakho luckily mfethu hey so abantu abaningi bamjaja bobani
ukuthi like makasebenzi lungisa imoto yakhe ezinye bazozilungisa
at least bamzela ubhlungu yena phela kufani sifana abantu abanye bamjaja bathi hey why ahamba ephathini aphuza ngale drive umntana abantu akaphuzi that's why they are craving ama shifts because of akaphuzi nokuphuza abantu
umntana abantu angazazi hambe noma kuba bakayo emnandini umntana abantu angazazi enjoy yena
asazenzinya infect abantu thina siyajaja sibane enye into engiyibonile sometimes kunabantu abafuna ukuba famous ngabanye abantu in a wrong way yabona ukusujaja umuntu makabe ne accident kanje wona uzamjaja uzothi hey what is that another wrong way of judging people just because of ufuna kuba famous
ufuna comfortness yakho wena umpha judgment yakho hayi
abafazi mangothetheka abafazi bahlezi bajajana into abathandana labantu la bakuthanda ngaleyo umzuzu lo mase hayi vala
oye bafethu siyabonga yakhensile bafethu thank you relebohile bafethu ukuthi nisibukelile if nisibukelile isikhathi senu sisibongile sikhona la AM Studios siphuma kanjalo ngemovie yethu yaku YouTube manje ku TikTok AM Studios igazi lemvana soon umduduzi kababuyeza
itutuzi likababa liyeza
tutuzile kababa liyeza
so if we want to watch the movie to ungene ku YouTube, we must search AMTV. If it doesn't show you anything, you must search IATV because I don't know if what's going on. The process is too slow to change the name there. So you will get the movie that is called Igazi Lomvana. Is our first, not our first, but one of our movies there. And then we're not sure about the date we're gonna release Baba, but it's gonna be there. It's done. Everything is done. Shot, edited. Everything, just only subtitles. Maybe my time will put on subtitles.
And we were cooking something with Triple P Entertainment. It will be out soon. I don't know when, but maybe we rushed to inform. I don't know, but stay tuned.
Yeah, if we rush to inform, then while we still informed you on this movie, then go watch some other movies on Triple Entertainment, movies like abo
Vigilante,
Tintswalo,
and etc. lapho. Vigilante is a series, Tintswalo is a short movie, a short story about the Ramaphosa who presented. Yeah.
So yeah.
Asibonge bafethu.
Yeah.
Nivana sukura kahle.
Yeah, so let's sama sokora.
I can say.
Awenziwe over lapha yava.
Oh, ayithi sicile kudala mkwethu. Asibonge bafethu engathi bangasibona nabo bafethu ama sponsor wethu or people that we are trying to attract abo Sibuda de Buddha and Stefina Pasha. Yeah, ibona le ndaba leyo bafethu.
The burden which Habakkuk the prophet did see. O Lord, how long shall I cry?
How long shall I cry?
And thou wilt not hear.
Hey, azamotho o thapelong o go modimo. Ke tlolla nene o fitlhella nene o sa nkutlwe. Ola ka utlweka ga o utlwe. Have you ever felt like you are praying but you are not heard?
Come on, Bishop.
And it's like o ka go mogena ke tlo gapela o fitlhella neng o sa nkutlwe. I don't know what bua le modimo a utlwang maga. Delay na go mo etsa o botse modimo dipotso. Or but how long will I pray? Ya reach a stage se motho a fitlo na mo tiskit. O ntse go ke lo gapela but how long will I pray because nothing is changing. You see, motho sa etse nix, asa gapeling how sa etsa le nix, at least una le lebaka ga ke etse nix. But the greatest frustration is when you are doing it right and you are praying, but nothing is moving. And you say, but how long will I pray? And you don't hear me. Have you ever felt like you are not heard? And you follow every principle, you do everything the way it's explained, but it's like things are not falling into place. But I love this man when he has issues.
Sila. Location. Sila. 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 Sila.